I want to help you fix your central air conditioner that's not cooling. However, the fan is blowing. So as you can see here on my outside unit, the fan is actually blowing here, but when you go inside, the temperature keeps going up and it's not cooling. So let's go inside and I'm going to tell you what to replace because it might be an issue. All right, let's go inside. Okay, so I'm inside the house in the laundry room and I located my central air panel here. And so I had to remove this door that's on there, and there's like 4 screws on them, and of course every unit's going to be a little bit different. And as you can see there, there's actually a safety thing that'll automatically turn it off if you take this panel off right here. And it plugs into right in there. So what I want you to do to replace it, and remember we have an issue with the fan blowing outside with the unit, but it's not cooling your house or your apartment. What I want you to do is, you can see right up here, it's GE, it's called a run capacitor. That looks like this, and it's got a model number on here. And so what I want you to do is turn it off. You might need to contact an AC person to tell them to go ahead and replace it, or you might have an AC person that can help you. Of course, you want to do it, make sure you're an expert and all that. But replace the run capacitor, RUN capacitor. Just pull it out of this unit and then read the model number, and you can order one online or get one at Lowe's or Home Depot and replace this, because it's most likely, if your room or if your house is not cooling but the fan is still blowing outside, that it's the run capacitor. And of course this is the cheapest, easiest fix. And you could get run capacitors like on Amazon for like 10 bucks. Okay, I went ahead and put the unit back in and turned it back on. So only thing you had to do is just take these 4 screws out to take this panel off, and then that pulls out, and then there's like a little plug-in that will automatically shut the air conditioner off for safety. And I just had to reach up there and plug that back in from the outside in. And just to let you know about the run capacitor, basically what it is, it's stored energy. It's kind of like memory on a computer for data. So what it does is it, if you don't have this and it doesn't have the stored energy, the fan is not going to blow. I don't know if it's inside or what, but it was an easy fix, and now my house is cooling. Alright, thanks for watching.